Yeah, let's talk about the vendors and the sponsors that were there. I know, Francois, you probably did your share walking around the show floor there.
Yes, I did. We had all the usual suspects, no. But the one thing I noticed compared to my previous times when I attended the conference, Dassault had allocated a large space for 3DX Edu. Edu is for education. This is the education branch of Dassault system. So this is where they provide all the training and the training content. And that's interesting. I believe it means Dassault recognizes that have so many solutions that can be complex, are doing complex things, and they need people and content to make sure that the users are able to adapt these solutions. And it's difficult for large vendors like Dassault. They are serving so many industries, so many roles, so many configurations, so many solutions, and it's hard for them to adapt to all these different publics. And this is where I believe also a company like Razorleaf can play a role, because while they do something generic, we do something specific to our clients. Our clients come with their own challenges, their industries, their own workflows, and this is where we help our clients adopt the tools by being more specific what Dassault offers, by do something tailored for everyone. So the focus on education, I think, is something interesting that I've not seen previously.